Alright YouTube, so what's up? So today I got another exhaust video for you guys. My buddy Stevie let me borrow his E92 M3, as you can see in the back behind me. I'm doing a full-on exhaust video for you guys. His setup on his car right now is just a resonator and muffler delete. He still has his cats, but the car still sounds very, very good. So let's get started and let's get to it, guys. Alright then guys, so there you guys have it, full on exhaust video of an E92 M3. Let me know what you guys think of the exhaust videos we've been posting up lately. If you guys do like them, just go ahead and press the like button for us so we could keep on posting more videos for you guys. Alright then guys, stay tuned on Primus Autowerks. Peace.